a fresh, cozy upgrade. The bright curtains can instantly transform your space, adding charm, warmth, and personality, while also bringing in just the right amount of light and privacy. Whether you are after rustic farmhouse vibes, a cottagecore aesthetic, or plain modern lines, there's a perfect curtain style for every kitchen. Let's explore how to choose the right one for your home. Match the curtain style to window size and placement. Small over the sink windows. Use cafe curtains or balance. Large windows or patio doors. Try full length panels or romance shades. Complement your kitchen's style, farmhouse or cottage, gingham, florals, ruffles, linen. Modern or minimalist, solid colors, clean lines, romance shades. Vintage or retro, embroidered chairs, lace, scalloped edges. Match curtain patterns to accent like table linens or dishware. Consider light control and privacy. Shade curtains, let in natural light, but offer limited privacy. Cafe curtains, great balance of light and privacy. Blackout or lined curtains, ideal for every sunny kitchens. Pick easy care, durable fabrics. Choose machine washable fabrics, cotton, polyester blends, linen. Avoid heavy drapes or dry clean only options. Kitchens attract tourists. Go for weight resistant materials if exposed to direct sunlight. Use the right hardware. Tension rods for cafe curtains or inside mounts. Curtain rods or decorative rods for balance or full panels. Consider curtain rings for easy sliding and cleaning. Functional plus decoration. Functional needs. Do you need shade, heat control or privacy? Decorative impact. Do you want them to be a subtle backdrop or a focal point? Customize for a perfect fit. DIY or stay options allow for personalized fabrics and trim. Thanks for watching